Eagles are among the most impressive and captivating birds of prey in nature. In this documentary, we will embark on a journey into the fascinating world of eagles, exploring their unique abilities, lifestyles, and roles in the natural world. As we take a closer look at the lives of these magnificent birds, you will gain detailed insights into their biology, ecology, and conservation efforts. If you're ready, let's step into the mysterious and captivating world of eagles. Eagles belong to the Accipitridae family and are large and powerful birds of prey. They are generally recognized for their wide wingspans and strong talons. Eagles have extremely developed vision, allowing them to observe prey from high altitudes and capture it quickly. Most eagle species use their sharp talons and hooked beaks to catch their prey. These wild birds are found in various habitats worldwide, including forests, mountains, grasslands, and even coastal regions. Their ability to adapt enables them to survive in different ecosystems. Their average lifespan ranges from 20 to 30 years, with some species living even longer. Eagles typically exhibit monogamous social structures, and many species stay with the same mate for life. Meticulous in their nest building, eagles construct large and sturdy structures, often in tall trees or on cliffs, to protect themselves from potential threats. Eagles are crucial for maintaining the balance of ecosystems. As predators, they control populations and contribute to natural selection by hunting weak or sick animals. This helps maintain healthy animal populations and preserves biodiversity. Additionally, the presence of eagles is an indicator of environmental health. As top predators in ecosystems, they are sensitive to chemical and biological changes in their environment. Therefore, a decline in eagle populations can signal problems within ecosystems. Eagles also hold significant cultural and symbolic importance. Throughout history, many cultures have viewed eagles as symbols of power, freedom, and leadership. These majestic birds have been honored in various forms, from flags to coats of arms. Eagles are among the most magnificent and impressive birds of prey in nature. Their physical characteristics enable them to survive in the wild and become superior hunters. The most striking feature of eagles is their wide wingspan. The wingspan of most eagle species ranges from 1.5 to 2.5 meters. These broad wings allow them to fly at high altitudes for extended periods. Thanks to their strong and wide wings, eagles can glide through the air, covering long distances without expending energy. This ability allows them to observe their prey from above and swiftly dive to capture it. Eagles' eyes are among the most advanced visual systems in nature. The high-resolution retinas in their eyes enable them to detect even the slightest movements from kilometers away. Eagles' vision is about 8 times stronger than that of humans. This superior eyesight plays a vital role in locating prey and achieving perfect accuracy during hunting. Eagles' talons are powerful and sharp, designed to catch and kill their prey. Thanks to the strength of their talons, they can easily subdue even large and strong prey. The grip strength in their talons places them among the most formidable predators in nature. These talons are also used for defense and territory protection. The talons of eagles are extremely powerful, capable of exerting approximately 3,450 kilopascals of pressure. This value is about 10 times the maximum pressure a human can exert. The beaks of eagles are larger and stronger compared to other birds. These hooked beaks allow them to tear apart and eat their prey. The beak of an eagle is tough and durable, capable of breaking even bones. This feature facilitates their hunting and feeding processes, allowing them to access a wider range of food. Their feathers make them efficient in flight and protect them from harsh weather conditions. The thick and insulating layer of feathers helps maintain body heat in cold weather, while the aerodynamic feather structure reduces wind resistance, making their flight more efficient. Additionally, the feathers of eagles provide camouflage, helping them stay hidden from predators. Finally, the muscle structure of eagles is also remarkable. Strong chest muscles provide the necessary force for flapping their wings and flying. These muscles are vital, especially for long-distance flights and sudden accelerations. The golden eagle is a large and powerful bird of prey living in many regions of the northern hemisphere. These eagles get their name from the golden-like feathers on their head and neck that shine in the sunlight. Golden eagles are known for their wide wingspans, powerful talons, and impressive flight capabilities. Typically inhabiting mountains, open areas, and steppes, these birds feed on small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Although solitary hunters, they form strong bonds with their mates during the breeding season and build large nests in high places. The bald eagle, a symbol of the United States, is found throughout North America. Distinguished by its white head and tail feathers, brown body feathers, and yellow beak, these eagles have a wingspan of about 2 to 2.4 meters. Bald eagles primarily feed on fish, but they also eat birds, small mammals, and carrion. They typically live near large bodies of water, coastal areas, rivers, and lakes. Bald eagles build nests in tall trees or on cliffs and often use the same nest for many years. The weight of adult eagles varies by species. The golden eagle weighs between 3 and 6.35 kilograms, while the bald eagle weighs between 3 and 6 kilograms. The steppe eagle is an impressive species living in vast steppes in semi-arid regions. Known for its long wings, brown feathers, and powerful talons, the steppe eagle has a wingspan of about 1.65 to 2.15 meters. They feed on small mammals, birds, reptiles, and sometimes insects. Living in open areas, steppes, and semi-desert regions, these eagles are migratory, moving north during the breeding season and returning south in winter. The osprey is a species of eagle specialized in fishing, living near water bodies. Notable for its long wings, white underfeathers, and dark brown upper feathers, the osprey has a wingspan of about 1.52 to 1.83 meters. Almost entirely fish eaters, these eagles catch their prey by diving into the water. They are found near lakes, rivers, coastal regions, and other water bodies. The osprey usually nests in trees near the water or on artificial structures and is a fascinating part of nature with its hunting skills. The rock eagle, a subspecies of the golden eagle, lives in the high mountainous regions of Asia. Known for its large body, strong wings, and sharp talons, the rock eagle has a wingspan of about 2 meters. They feed on small mammals, birds, and sometimes reptiles. These eagles, living in mountains, rocky areas, and open terrains, are solitary hunters but build large nests with their mates during the breeding season and reside in high, hard-to-reach places. While these impressive eagle species live in different corners of nature, each plays a crucial role in its own ecosystem. With their powerful flight, sharp vision, and impressive hunting skills, eagles are among nature's most magnificent birds of prey. Eagles' feeding and hunting strategies are fundamental to their survival skills. Most eagle species are carnivorous, and their diet typically consists of small mammals, birds, fish, and reptiles. However, some eagles also feed on carrion, which is an important aspect of their role in the ecosystem. One of the primary hunting strategies of eagles relies on their remarkable vision. From high altitudes, eagles scan vast areas to spot their prey. Their superior retinal structure allows them to detect prey from kilometers away. A large part of their eyes is covered with cells that capture light and provide high-resolution images. Eagles' vision is about 8 times stronger than that of humans. An eagle can clearly see a rabbit even from 3.2 kilometers away. This visual acuity plays a significant role in locating prey and selecting the right moment for a successful hunt. Eagles often use an ambush tactic to catch their prey. They glide from high above or wait silently in one spot for their prey to come closer. When the moment is right, the eagle suddenly dives, reaching great speeds as it targets its prey. During this dive, they can reach speeds of up to 240 kilometers per hour. Locking their talons onto the prey, the eagle subdues it with a powerful grip. Certain eagle species, like the osprey, develop highly specialized hunting strategies. The osprey, for example, flies over bodies of water to spot fish and then dives into the water to catch them. These eagles have specialized talons that allow them to firmly grasp slippery fish. After catching a fish, they swiftly rise from the water and carry it to a safe place. Eagles that feed on carrion pursue dead animals instead of hunting live prey. These eagles, especially, gather around large carcasses and use their strong beaks to tear through thick skin and bones to access their food. Feeding on carrion helps eagles play the role of ecosystem cleaners, as they consume the remains of dead animals and help prevent the spread of diseases. The feeding habits and hunting strategies of eagles also define their roles in ecosystems. As predators, they control populations and contribute to natural selection by hunting weak or sick animals. This is critical for maintaining a healthy and balanced ecosystem. Eagles' breeding and chick-rearing processes play a significant role in their life cycle. During the breeding season, they exhibit notable and meticulous behaviors. Eagles are generally monogamous birds and stay with the same mate for life. When the breeding season begins, pairs perform impressive displays to strengthen their bond. Eagle pairs dance by soaring at high altitudes and exhibiting synchronized flight movements. This ritual strengthens the bond between the pair and marks the beginning of the breeding process. The nest-building process is of great importance for eagles. They usually construct their nests in high trees or on cliffs. The location of the nest is carefully chosen to ensure the safety of the young. Eagle nests are large and sturdy structures, meticulously made from branches, leaves, and other vegetation. They can use the same nest for many years, reinforcing and expanding it annually. The female eagle typically lays 1 to 3 eggs, and the incubation period lasts about 35 to 45 days. During the incubation period, the female eagle keeps the eggs warm, while the male eagle supports her by providing food. After the eggs hatch, the eaglets are born, and the intensive care from both parents begins. Eaglets are born featherless and vulnerable. The parents put in great effort to feed and protect their young. Eaglets are initially fed with prey brought in small pieces. The parents regularly feed the eaglets and keep the nest clean to ensure their growth and strength. The eaglets quickly grow and develop feathers within a few weeks. The eaglets leave the nest approximately 10 to 12 weeks later. During this period, they begin to develop their flying skills and make their first flight attempts under the supervision of their parents. After acquiring flying skills, the young eagles learn to hunt and gradually become independent. Although eagles are generally known to live solitary lives, they exhibit interesting communication and behavior patterns during the breeding season and in certain social situations. The social structure of these wild birds is largely solitary, but during the breeding season and while raising their young, they engage in intensive social interaction. The bond between pairs strengthens through communication and cooperation. Outside the breeding season, eagles control vast territories and hunt alone within these areas. Eagles' communication methods include vocal and visual signals. Vocal communication is mainly used to strengthen the bond between pairs, defend territory, and warn against dangers. Eagles communicate with high-pitched screams and calls. This vocal communication serves as a strong warning to other eagles or predators. Visual communication occurs through body language and flight movements. Aerial dances performed during the breeding season express the harmony and bond between pairs. Wing flapping, gliding, and diving movements are important visual signals that reinforce the interaction between eagles. Territorial behavior holds a significant place in the social life of eagles. They defend their designated territories against other eagles and predators. These territories include hunting and nesting areas. During territorial defense, eagles drive away threats by screaming loudly and displaying aggressive flight movements. Despite their social structure, eagles show great affection and care for their young. During the growth process of the eaglets, the parents maintain constant communication and meet their needs. The safety and health of the eaglets are top priorities for the parent eagles. Eagles are found in a wide range of diverse habitats. Their living environments vary depending on their species and feeding habits. Species like the golden eagle and rock eagle live in mountainous and rocky areas, while species like the bald eagle and osprey prefer living near water bodies such as large lakes and rivers. The steppe eagle, on the other hand, is found in open terrains and semi-arid regions. These diverse habitats meet the hunting and nesting needs of eagles. Tall trees, cliffs, and vast open spaces provide ideal environments for eagles to build their nests securely and scan wide areas for prey. Eagles face many threats due to habitat degradation and human activities. These threats negatively impact eagle populations, leading to a decline in species numbers. Deforestation, agricultural expansion, and urban development significantly reduce the living spaces for eagles. The destruction of natural habitats decreases the nesting and hunting grounds for eagles, reducing their chances of survival. climate change also affects the habitats and hunting habits of eagles. Changing climate conditions can alter the distribution and abundance of prey animals, disrupting the feeding patterns of eagles. Monitoring and researching eagle populations enhance the effectiveness of conservation efforts. Scientific studies provide important information about the habitats, behaviors, and threats facing eagles, aiding in the development of conservation strategies. For more new documentaries and scientific content, don't forget to subscribe.